Next, along the Konstantinovka axis, Grad multiple launch rocket system units of the Yug group of forces struck first, knocking out 2 enemy UAV control hubs and disrupting a temporary staging site before it could be brought into use. As the focus shifted west of Gulyaipol, artillery crews of the Vostok Group engaged positions linked to an impending counter-move in the Zaporozhye region, breaking preparations and halting momentum before it could develop. Merciless precision in the Krasnoarmysk direction. Our anti-tank missile units have successfully delivered a direct hit on enemy positions with high accuracy. Despite attempts to take cover inside buildings, our guided missiles successfully tracked and neutralized them. The Ministry of Defense confirmed that this heroic action was carried out by Russian soldiers at extremely close range to the Ukrainian forces. Latest report from Konstantinovka. 3 Fab 500 bombs slammed directly into the deployment point of the Ukrainian 93rd Brigade. The target was completely destroyed in a single, precise, and lethal airstrike. Unstoppable air power. In the Kharkov sector of the Zaporozhye region, an OSA-AKM air defense system operated by airborne troops from Ulyanovsk under the Dnieper group of forces successfully intercepted and brought down a Ram-2X attack drone, denying the platform any chance to influence operations and keeping the airspace firmly under control. In the village of Druzhkovka, in the Donetsk People's Republic, kamikaze drone operators struck decisively, destroying 3 T-64BV tanks belonging to the Ukrainian armed forces. Further west, near Krasnoarmysk, another high-value target was eliminated, an M1A1 Abrams tank detected and destroyed before it could be redeployed. South of the front line, near Sergeyevka, attack UAV crews added to the toll, burning a Leopard 1A5 tank during a precision strike that left no room for maneuver. At the same time, operators of fixed-wing FPV drones employed a coordinated carousel fire tactic, launching a swarm of drones against Ukrainian positions near the village of Roskoshnoi, overwhelming defenses through continuous aerial pressure. Across other sectors, drone crews continued to engage enemy personnel, striking exposed units and fortified positions alike. In the Sumy direction, UAV operators targeted military equipment, shelters, and temporary deployment points, further disrupting command cohesion and frontline logistics. This is a fat compilation of the work of Rubicon operators using BM-35 and Lightning kamikaze drones. Among the targets hit were radar stations, including the Zu-3 counter-battery system, an Antonov and 26 aircraft in the Mykolaiv region, a Mi-24 helicopter, and a couple of ships in Odessa. The aircraft is a write-off, as is likely the helicopter. But what's notable here is the distance over which the strike was carried out. A powerful overnight explosion triggered a large-scale fire on the Druzhba main gas pipeline in Ukraine's Transcarpathian region, with flames visible from Svalyava and surrounding villages in the Kust district. The blaze erupted along a section of the Urengoy-Pomery-Uzhhorod pipeline, while the Rososh compressor station was reported unaffected. Ukraine's State Emergency Service has confirmed the incident, though official authorities have so far offered no public explanation or comment on the cause. At dawn, mobile fire groups on the Crimean Peninsula come into action, engaging hostile UAVs and countering aerial strikes as the first light breaks over the horizon. Against a snow-covered landscape, forces repelled a counterattack near the village of Podoli. An enemy T-64 tank was detected and destroyed during the engagement. Based on the field reports, up to 5 personnel from the 92nd Airborne Brigade were neutralized as the assault was halted. Latest report from the Druzhkovka region, Donetsk People's Republic. There is nowhere for the enemy to hide. The Rubicon detachment has just launched a lethal precision strike. Utilizing cutting-edge drone technology, they successfully infiltrated a dilapidated hangar being used as a secret shelter. As a result, 3 Ukrainian T-64BV tanks were completely destroyed on the spot. Combat vehicles that were once hidden are now nothing more than piles of scrap metal. The Rubicon unit continues to sweep targets, ensuring every corner of the battlefield remains under control. Operations continue. The enemy's attempt to reinforce their defensive lines in the Kupyansk district has ended in total failure. As they attempted to transport troops and ammunition, their movements were immediately detected by vigilant drone operators. In a swift precision strike, 2 pickup trucks, 1 cargo truck, and even an enemy robotic platform were successfully incinerated. This clearing operation took place in a strategic area between the settlements of Blagodatovka and Starovorovka. There is no mercy for those who attempt to infiltrate this territory. The skies over Kupyansk remain under full control. North of Gulyaipol, reconnaissance UAVs of the Unmanned Systems Forces under the Vostok Group tracked enemy movement along with the transfer of ammunition and materiel toward forward positions. The coordinates were swiftly passed to Tornado-G multiple launch rocket system crews of the 36th Army, who responded with concentrated fire, striking identified buildup zones and disrupting the flow of supplies before it could reinforce the front line. According to a senior battery officer with the call sign Savala, these artillery actions are designed to sever delivery routes and inflict sustained fire pressure on enemy troop concentrations, denying them the ability to regroup or advance. Near Kupyansk, drone crews of the Zapad West Group struck and disabled 3 Ukrainian ground-based robotic platforms, along with an armored personnel carrier, further degrading mobility and control in the sector. Hidden among the forests of the Kharkov region, the Northerners detected the enemy drone concealed beneath the canopy and swiftly exposed and destroyed it before it could relay its data. Captured in infrared, the footage from Rubicon's FPV drone collection shows Ukrainian infantry positions in the Pokrovsk area being detected and engaged during nighttime operations. The next video captures the moment of destruction. A Baba Yaga-type UAV operated by the Ukrainian armed forces is intercepted by Russian drone operators. Struck mid-air, the hexacopter loses stability and plunges from the sky, crashing to the ground below. After breaking the enemy's counterattack, the Russian ground forces have now launched a major offensive on the Sumy front. North Group forces successfully captured Andreevka and took control of an area spanning 230 square kilometers. From the Konstantinovka region to Kondratovka, Ukrainian defenses continue to be pushed back as Russian control expands across the northern territory. That's all for today's update. Thanks for watching, and don't miss our upcoming videos.